back. It's Caleb's Corner. What?
Okay, I was
Okay.
gonna put on a little lipstick.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's Caleb's Corner here. Today, bro, you can't even see. Today we're gonna do the wrap slime challenge. If you don't know what the heck that slime challenge is, we got all these glues. Can't really see them, but they're like wrapped up. And you don't know which ones you're gonna be getting. You don't know what color. You don't know which one's red. And we got all these like glitters and foam balls and stuff. And we got the Octavito. So, yeah. We're good. There's some extra stuff.
And happy Halloween, everybody.
Yeah!
We're doing this on Halloween.
Yeah.
Okay, let me get
On
the
Halloween.
pans.
Guys, that's why we have like orange, yellow, and white bags for the stuff. It's kind of wrapped Halloween. But I am eating a candy from the shower.
Okay,
Versus spicy.
here's yours. Here's your pan.
Mwah, mwah, mwah.
And what are we going to stir these with? Little plastic spoons or what?
I'll grab it.
Are they going to be strong enough? Okay. We'll give this a couple of
Where
minutes.
are the spoons?
Hello, guys.
Oh, here.
Caleb. I am Caleb's grandmother.
Yes, you've probably seen her in the sour versus spicy video.
Okay.
She likes those red hots. I do not like those.
I
like the
love
lemon
those
heads.
red hots.
You thought the lemon heads were sour.
Yes. Okay. Now Caleb's gonna have to teach me how to do this. So.
So you pick a slime, but you don't know not slime, but a glue. You don't know what color it is.
Okay.
You're gonna pick a glue. You're gonna unwrap it,
Okay.
and then you're gonna I'll just show you because
Okay.
I'll go first. There's 4
Okay, you
rounds
go
for
first.
each of us. There's 8 rounds.
Okay.
You get 4 rounds and I get 4 rounds.
Okay.
So,
All right.
I'm gonna go for this one. I think let's see what color I got. Brr.
Oh, whoa! You got pretty pink.
Like purple is pinky.
Oh, wow! That's a pretty color.
You would probably want this.
Wow! Yeah.
This is not made for. I actually thought like, I was kind of wanting like a purplish pink in my slime.
Okay.
Because when I saw the colors that we were gonna do.
Okay.
So what you do is you just open it fully. We're just.
Open it fully. Okay. Do I pick mine now or wait till you do yours? You want me to open it?
You gotta open the white part, not the
Okay.
blue part.
Okay.
Open it fully.
Got it. Got it right here.
So there's a big hole and you can just dump it out.
Okay.
All right, guys. I'm
All
gonna pour
right,
it.
guys. You want me to move these over so they can see you dumping that?
There's
We'll
a
just
blob.
put these right
There's a
here.
blob in my
Move
pan.
these over
There's
here.
a blob in my pan. Look.
All right.
Blob
Okay.
of glue.
Let's move these right over here.
One more.
So they can, y'all can see Caleb doing it. Okay. All right. So here we go.
Okay, you can pick yours now.
Okay. I'm
Okay.
going to pick mine now, and I am going to pick the. Oh boy, that's pretty, guys. That is bright pink. Show them again, Caleb, when you get it in there. Let's see what color mine is. I hope it's not an ugly color. Ooh, I got a pretty green, guys. Look at my green.
Look at this.
Look at my green. Ooh.
Oh, it's green. It's glitter glue. It's
Green.
glitter glue. I
Glitter glue.
got glitter glue. It's glue with glitter in it, and you got green glitter glue.
Yeah. Look at this, guys.
I would rather green. Green's my favorite
Squirt,
color.
squirt, squirt. Oh boy, I've never done this before. This is fun.
Squirt. I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna go for my pick.
Ooh.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. This one looks good. I hope it's good. Red! I got red
Oh,
glitter
you
glue.
got red.
That's
and
gonna
you
match
got
though.
pink. Wow.
That's gonna match. It's gonna match really good. Well,
All
you've
right,
seen Sis
guys,
versus
I
Bro
got it
done
all
this.
out of there, I think, or
You've seen
most
Sis
of it.
versus Bro done this.
I got most of it out
You
of
have
there.
seen Sis
anyways.
versus Bro done this, right?
Huh?
You've seen Sis versus Bro.
Yeah, I've seen Sis and Bro do it. Yep.
I actually opened it myself.
Okay, he got red. I've got green. Ooh.
Get out there. Oh my gosh, there's not a lot of
Oh, and this
red
is
in
more
there.
glitter. Ooh, this is pretty.
Glitter glue.
Wow. Okay,
Yours
I'm going to
looks-
choose mine next,
Oh,
guys.
what's that? What's that?
Mine is...
There's a glow in the dark.
Oh, mine's clear.
Clear glue.
It's clear.
Well, you're gonna have clear
Look,
slime.
mine's clear. Clear glue.
Bro, you're gonna have to green slime since the clear you're not gonna see it. in
Clear
slime.
glue. Here I go, guys. I'm going to
Okay.
squirt it out of there.
I think that's enough red.
Clear glue.
I'm gonna set it in the sad
Ooh,
corner.
look at it. It's just clear glue.
I set it in the sad corner.
Wow.
Okay, look at my colors so far.
Oh, boy. So we don't mix them yet, huh? We just keep on
We
pouring
just
them in
gotta
and
wait.
then we mix them.
We just gotta wait.
All right.
I th-
Okay, guys.
Wait,
Look
I'm
at this. Look at this. This is all I got. I got some clear and some green. See that? Clear and green. Clear and green. You can't really see the clear. That's okay. All right.
I'm sensing this one is good. I'm sensing.
You're sensing that one's good. Oh, boy.
I am
Okay.
sensing.
All right.
Oh, it's
Okay.
blue glitter glue.
Oh, and you got blue. That would have been pretty with my green and clear.
Oh.
Oh, you got blue. Let's see what color
What did
I
you
got. Oh, man. Let's see what color I got. I hope it's not an ugly one.
It's white.
Oh, no, it's...
Bro.
Oh, it's white. Guys, I'm going to have all kinds of just clear and white. Look, white. Okay.
Oh my god.
Caleb's choosing all the pretty colors.
Yes, because I'm gonna win.
I got white glue.
What the?
White, clear, and green. White, clear, and green glue, guys. That's what I got. White, clear, and green.
There's a glow in the dark glue. Did you know that? There's a glow in the dark.
Really? Do you
There's
think
a
I
glow
got
in the
it?
dark
Is-
green.
Is it green? Is
Yeah.
it the green I
Yeah,
got?
it
Oh.
looks like blue at the start, but when
Mhm.
you put it in the dark, it looks green.
Elmer's Glue All.
Oh,
Okay.
look at my! It's turning brown. It's turning brown because the blue and
It's
red.
turning brown.
Look,
Ooh,
you can
how
see
pretty,
brown!
though. The colors in it are pretty.
Oh, but it's still turning a little brown.
Okay, guys, that's mine.
still
you see
turning
the
a little
green
brown.
and you see the white and you see the clear. That's mine. See it? There we go.
Guys.
That's Granny's. Okay.
Oh, slowly go.
I'm going to throw away the paper.
Get out of
I'm
there.
going to
Okay.
throw away the paper.
Bruh, I've made
Here,
this.
guys.
I've only made this one time before, so I know a little better than you. So I'm gonna. I've done this.
Oh, wow.
I've made
look at
slime
Caleb's,
one
guys.
time.
This is pretty.
But look,
got pretty
it's turning
colors in
brown
it.
right there.
Yeah. Okay. Choose your last one, Caleb, and I'll take the one you don't choose.
I have a feeling that this is gonna be pink.
Let's see what that is.
I have a feeling that this is gonna be pink. And my senses are working on this one. My
Your
senses
senses are working.
are
on
very
this one.
strong. It is pink! It's what I wanted!
Oh man, you got pink.
It's
I
what I
bet
wanted!
I got another yucky color.
Wait, no! The last one's glow in the dark green.
Oh, I got a glow in the dark green. Wow, look what I got, guys. I got a glow in the dark green.
Yo, you're lucky. That's gonna match. You're just gonna glow in the dark now.
Oh, and for Halloween, that's gonna be great, guys. I'm gonna have glow in the dark green. It's kind of blue looking. I bet
Yeah.
mine's gonna be turn out a pretty color.
No,
too.
but when you put it in the dark, it glows green. It's just that it's not glowing.
Look.
Last night I looked at the
pretty.
bottle. Like I literally had just the bottle in my hands. I put it in the bathroom,
And it glowed.
and it glowed green.
Really? Wow.
So that's gonna be good for Halloween.
What a fun day for Halloween for us to do this, guys. A slime challenge.
You want to add like a glitter stuff?
Yeah,
add a glitter?
of course. I want to add everything just like they do. This is fun.
Jiggle, jiggle, butt cheek.
Here we go. This is so fun, guys. This is totally fun. You should do this at home with your kids because you'll have a good time. Because this is really fun.
Guys, if you want to try out this slime challenge at home, I actually found all these at some of them were found out out at the Dollar General and some was found at Walmart. So if you want to do this challenge, like we did, you can go buy these glues.
And we are using glues, guys.
Yes.
That's what we're using.
Glue.
For this. Caleb's going to tell you. We're
And
using
you have
glues.
and to make it slime, you have to use magical liquid. Elmer's magical liquid. The 4-batch Elmer's magical liquid. That's what you have to use.
Okay.
Let's go.
All right.
I'm gonna open a glitter and see what I got. What color did I get for glitter?
And look what his mother put them in. She put them in trick-or-treat bags, guys. Isn't that cool? This is so cool.
Oh, what the?
Oh, wow. Look at that. That is going to make some pretty
better in your
slime.
How are
This
you
is
supposed
going
to
to
open?
make some pretty slime. It's fun
How
to
are
do
you
at
supposed to
home.
open these things? I can't open. I'm gonna go grab scissors.
Yeah, go grab your little scissors. He's going to grab his little scissors at his table so he don't hurt himself, guys. So you have some little scissors. Go get them.
Yeah, I'm back, guys. I'm gonna pour these in. Oh, solito! Look at my. Look what it looks like so far.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, how pretty. It's pretty.
Wait, how many packets are there?
Four.
1,
One,
2,
two,
3,
yeah,
4,
four.
5. And
6.
I just opened 6.
So there's 3 for each of us.
So there's 3 for each of us.
3 for each of us.
This is my
Okay.
second packet. This is my second one. Okay.
Trying to get the rest of this
Oh,
out of here. It's a little difficult to get all of it out.
This
but
was made
here
for
we go.
you. This was made for you.
Oh, boy.
It's like unicorn color. What the heck?
All right, let's see what my color's going to be, guys.
Guys,
What am
that's
I
your
gonna
first glitter. What is
get? White. What is my deal, guys? I just keep pulling out white. White everything. It's like, whoa, man.
I spilled.
Caleb, can I borrow your
I spilled
scissors?
the glitters. Yeah.
That's okay. It's confetti, isn't it? That's what that is. Confetti.
Ah,
His mom
party.
is so cool, isn't she? She buys all this stuff and we get to have fun. This is totally fun. All
I'm
right.
gonna pour the rest.
Okay, that's
Waters.
my white. Let's see.
Okay, this
what
is-
do I get next?
The slime definitely making
Do I
slime
get
is
any
messy.
color next? Oh, look, I got some little blue balls, guys.
Look
Where
at
did
this,
she get
guys.
these things at? These are cool.
What?
They're just little packages. Where did your mom
I
get
don't know.
those? Those are cool.
Okay, wait. This is my
There we
third.
go. There's my blue balls. Color
I think
balls.
there's actually like
Pink balls, blue,
7.
green, all colors.
what's
See,
my
guys,
next
see
one?
what it's looking like so far? Caleb, hold yours up for them. See, show them what
Yeah,
it's looking
I
like
already
so
did.
far. Oh, you already did? Oh, okay.
Earlier.
You already did.
Ooh,
Okay, is this our last
silver!
one?
Silver!
Oh, you got some silver. Good deal.
Yeah. Wait, is,
All right.
was this one have anything
I
inside?
don't think so, because you got 3 and I got 3. Ooh, I finally get some sparkly, guys.
Yeah.
Look. I finally got some sparkly.
That's sparkly pink.
Yeah.
Where's my scissors?
Right here.
Give me.
Okay, there we go. All right. All
right, guys.
righty.
Let's pour.
Let's throw away this trash. Throw away our trash.
Oh, look at mine. Guys, look at mine. Oh, solito. I need more.
Hey.
The confetti that I dropped.
All right, guys. I'll wait for Caleb, and next will be the putting in our activator and stirring it.
All right, look at my slime. Look at it.
You want to get this all on your thing? You want me to pull some of it out?
Oh
here?
yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, solito. Just dump it into your hand and place it in,
That
all
is
in my
what
bowl.
I'm trying to do. There we go.
Oh, all
There's
right,
some
guys.
more.
Look, this is mine. I'm so good.
Okay. All right,
I'm
that's
pro.
Caleb's, and this is mine. We are going to stir now, and we're going to see what it turns out.
Oh, there's a piece
no,
of
we
paper
gotta
in
put
mine.
this in there.
Yeah,
We
We
got
gotta
to
put
put
the activator.
activator in there.
activator. You're probably gonna need a whole bottle from
Okay.
all that in there.
Yeah, we're going to just pour our bottle of
Ooh.
activator in there.
Wow.
Might want to use the scissors just to kind of stab it. Nope, I got mine open.
I stabbed mine.
Okay.
I have to stab mine
All right, guys. Here goes the activator.
into yours.
Ooh. Here we go.
Oh. I need more scissors.
Here is the activator going in.
Oh, solito. What the heck? It sounds like farts. Were you farting?
No, I wasn't.
Sounds like farts.
That is the activator. It says magical liquid.
It is magical liquid.
Okay, I'm going to start stirring. There's the activator. Here's the stirring. Stirring, guys. Yes, we're stirring. See it? It's
I think that's
all
enough
getting
activator.
stirred together.
Yeah, I think that's enough. If I need more. Oh! Is yours?
Wow.
Mine's already turning into slime. I added.
Yep, mine's turning into slime too, guys. It's already turning into slime. You'll be seeing it in a little while when we get it all stirred.
Guys. I'm spilling my activator. I added too much, I think. I think I added too much activator.
No, you didn't. See, just keep on stirring. You just
I need more glue.
Stir.
I'm opening my pink and my blue.
You need more glue? It looks like you got fine. You just need to stir it, see? Just keep on
I'm adding
stirring
more
it.
glue.
Okay.
I can't. It's hard.
Just keep stirring. Mine's turning into slime already. It's pretty. Mine's really pretty, guys. It's beautiful. Look at it, guys. See, you can turn it. You can tell it's turning into slime because I'm able to turn it up like that, and it's not going anywhere. This is so fun.
Get out.
Caleb and his mom, my daughter, had a great idea today. This is a fun day for Halloween to make slime.
Wait, I need a Red Bull work. Oh, you're turning into slime. You're turning into cloud slime. What the heck?
Yeah, mine's turning into slime. Look at
Well,
it.
cloud slime.
Uh-oh. Is my spoon starting to get stuck in there? Uh-oh. This is just a plastic spoon.
Oh my
guys.
gosh, I
It's
left
starting to
it.
get stuck in there.
There's paper from the wrap
Oh, no.
in there. Oh no.
Be careful that you don't break your spoon off in there because it gets stuck.
Oh.
Yep.
Well,
Take it slow. That way you don't spill it out of there.
Source's Bro does it fast.
Well, I know, but yeah, just be careful with it. Oh, it's not going to go out. Look at it. It's already sticking together, Caleb. Yours is sticking together, too.
Ooh.
Wow, guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. Whoa. Whoa, look at this. It's becoming slime. It's becoming slime, guys. Maybe we should have put some worms in there. Goblin's eyeballs. Look at this.
Guys, look. Oh, mine became slime finally. Look.
Oh, yeah, look at Caleb's. Keep stirring it, Caleb. It'll get all together.
So, once in a while, they just stir with your hands.
Okay.
Once it starts turning into slime, you stir with your hands.
Oh, you do? Okay, all right. Well, that's what I'll do then, guys. Here we go.
Look at mine, bro. Oh my gosh, mine looks like a galaxy.
This is crazy.
Mine looks like a galaxy slime.
Mine looks like, I don't know, it's beautiful.
It looks mint.
Look at this, guys. Whoa!
Mix.
Look at this. Look at
Oh, this is so weird. It's going to get all over me. Oh, mine's slime is sticky. Is yours?
Oh, yes, it's sticky.
How does it feel?
Very sticky. Feels like glue.
Feels like glue.
Feels like glue. Feels like if you got bubble gum in your mouth and it's all sticky, icky.
Bubble gum.
How long does it take for it to stop being sticky like this? The more you knead it, I bet. The more you knead it, like kneading bread, the more that it gets less sticky, I'll bet you.
Oh,
Just like bread, guys. Look, I'm fixing to make a big old circle, just like if you had bread and you're kneading bread. That's all it is. Look at it. Ugh, slime.
Oh,
What a great day to do for Halloween. What a great thing to do for
Look at
Halloween
mine. Mine
today.
looks like a galaxy.
Oh, yeah, look at Caleb's. It's pretty.
Slime
It's
do not be
really
escaping
pretty.
your pan.
You got some blue, some purple over there you can add into it. Some of your pink that's coming off the sides of it there. Yeah.
Whoopsies. Do I need more activator?
I don't know if you do. Mom said use that stuff that Cody uses. She's got some
I
of
think
that. Up
I
there.
didn't add the whole bottle.
You did? Oh, then add the
I
whole
think
bottle.
so.
I added the whole bottle. You need the whole bottle. Yes, you do need it then. Use the whole bottle. I used the whole bottle. Okay, guys, look at this. I'm fixing to hold it up so you
Okay, I
can see.
added the whole bottle now.
It's all together.
The whole bottle is
The whole
in.
bottle ought to do it now. You might want to stir it some more or do it with your hands.
Oh. Oh yeah, it's becoming less sticky now. Look, it's not sticky. It's
Yep.
coming off my hands.
Get it all mixed together there.
Oh.
That's what you got to do. You got to get it all mixed together. See how mine's coming up just like just unsticking from the sides and everything. Look at that, guys. Whoa, now it's coming up in big globs. Before it was just coming up in stringy things. I'm about to be able to pick it up like a big old ball. Oh, this is so cool.
Activator.
I've
makes
never
it less
made this
sticky.
before. This is the first time I've ever
Activator
made
makes
it.
it less sticky. That's why you need the
That's
whole
right.
bottle.
You might want to stir it some more with your spoon.
Where is my spoon?
Right there. There's your spoon.
With my
Stir it
hands.
some more with your spoon.
Oh,
Stir, stir,
look at
stir.
that. Look at that. That is
Would you like
becoming
your
a
grandmother to help you?
masterpiece.
No, you got it. You got it.
It's
Just
not
keep
even-
stirring it around and around and around. Just around and around. And see how it's coming together? Keep stirring it around and around.
Look at that. It's slime. Look. It's like real slime.
Oh, yeah. Look,
Oh.
I got my whole ball there, guys. Look
Oh.
at that. The whole thing's up out of the pan. It all came together. You see that? Look. Whoa, make it slime.
Drop some.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh,
Ooh.
can I fill yours after I'm
You
done?
bet, you bet. You want me to
After I'm
stir yours a little bit for you? And help you out a little bit there? And you can play with mine a little bit?
Yeah, but I'm gonna wash my hands so I don't get mine.
Oh, you can get mine on yours on mine. It ain't gonna hurt anything. It's not gonna hurt nothing. Just get it in there. It'll make it pretty with that purple.
Oh, yours feels weird.
Yeah. Yours is fixing to feel that way. Just need to stir it a little more, and yours will be ready to go.
Ah, switch up. We're switching right now. Oh, yours feels so soft. This is like a pillow. I want to sleep on this. Okay, I'm done. I could sleep on this. This feels like a pillow, bro.
Now, you want yours back to use your hands in it, or what?
Gimme.
Okay, there you go.
Gimme.
Now just start using your hands and it'll probably work together. That's the way I did it too. Yep, or mix it a little more, whichever way you want to do it.
Oh, look at me. Look. Look at this!
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Just keep
Did
playing
you like
with it.
You want to feel mine?
Yeah.
Feel
Here.
it.
Ooh, it's more slick than mine, but that's just because you hadn't done it as much, I guess. Oh, that's weird. Feels good though. It feels cool.
I think because you added foam balls in yours.
I don't know, but that feels good. Yours feels
I
really
added
cool.
glitter
It's
and you added
really
foam
pretty.
balls.
Look at Caleb's. It's gorgeous.
Yes,
Look
it's
at
like a
that
galaxy slime.
purple
It's
and
galaxy
stuff
slime.
in it. Wow.
Guys, we're
He's
almost-
right. Mine looks kind of like a cloud and his looks
Well, yours
beautiful. It's sparkly and
Well, yours
pretty.
feels like a cloud slime. There's different
Yeah.
types of slime. There's regular slime.
Wow.
There's cloud slime. Yours just feels like
Look at
cloud
that.
slime.
Look, a big old ball.
You created cloud
Boom.
slime, bro.
I created cloud slime is what
And I
Caleb says.
created gooey slime.
You created gooey slime. Look at this. Wow, this was totally fun. Totally fun.
Oh my gosh!
This was totally fun.
I have the whole thing. I picked
Oh
it up.
yeah, you picked up the whole thing. You got it up now.
It's like I'm holding the galaxy in my hands.
Yeah, look
It
at
looks
that.
like a
We did it.
galaxy
We
slime.
did it, guys.
All
This
right.
was totally fun.
Guys, if you think I won the slime challenge, comment down below galaxy slime.
Or if you think Granny won the slime challenge, comment down below. But I
What?
couldn't
Comment
have done
down
it
below
without
what?
my grandson because I've never done it before.
Comment down below what?
I don't know. Crazy Granny.
Crazy Granny for the win, guys.
Okay.
And if you think I won, comment down below galaxy slime.
Galaxy slime.
Because it looks like a galaxy slime.
All right.
So, hold on. Let me do
Can I
you
do-
a tour. I want to show you what mine is.
Okay.
So, you can poke it. It's really
Oh
satisfying.
yeah, that is cool.
You can stretch it.
Yep, you can do that with
And-
both of ours.
You can sleep on it.
And he said you can sleep on this because it's so soft.
What can
This
you
is-
poke yours? Is it
Sure.
satisfying to poke? Is it satisfying?
See? Oh
Is it-
yeah, that feels good.
I like
That's kind of like a stress reliever. If you're an adult, it's a stress reliever.
it is.
Kind of like one of them little
You wanna
spongy
take your
balls
slime
that
home?
you squeeze.
Can you take your slime home?
No, I'll leave it for you to play with. But oh, look
If you
at
want
that.
to, you can take your slime home. Oh, this was so fun, guys.
This was so fun.
Guys, this is like the best challenge ever. Oh, look! Here's my little. This was my first glitters. They're like little blue buttons. Look.
Yes.
They're, where's the paper that I dropped in here? Where's the
I don't know.
paper? Is there any paper in here? Did it fall out?
I don't know.
Where's the paper?
Well, that was fun.
Oh, you can
Are
see
you
it
gonna
inside
go?
of there. There's paper inside.
Are we gonna go now, guys? Or?
Guys, well, I hope you liked this video, and we'll see you all next time. Slime.